I asked my dog to open my package for me, and look what he did. He really did good. He did good. I have an extra box here. I'll transfer everything here, and we're gonna pretend this didn't happen. Welcome back to another Buffbunny unboxing slash first impression video. And today's video, we're gonna unbox the community collection, which is launching on October 25 at 1 p.m. CST. My package literally just arrived, so let's unbox it together. Top of the list for this drop is taking the colors that you voted for and bringing them to life in fun, high quality, comfortable ways so that everybody can find something that speaks to them. With this collection, we bring pieces you have loved now in updated styles and colorways so that no matter what look you go for, you'll be ready for anything. So I think that this community collection is so cool because our community, Buffbunny community, is involved, and I think no one has ever done this before, so I am very excited. So let's get into it. Colorways, we have eggplant purple, frosted purple, purple swirl print, bunny pink, Farawa, Nile hustle print, Nile multi, black multi, onyx black, black slash lima bean, white and lima bean. So we're seeing purples, pinks, blue, greens, and black. If you love running, if you love your cardio, your high intensity workout, your sweaty workouts, you're gonna love this collection because we have more performance pieces in this collection, which I am super excited about because ever since I started running 4 months ago, I'm just really into it. Like, I found my passion, which is wild to me. It's absolutely crazy because I have hated running basically my entire life, and 4 months ago I just fell in love. Anyway, I am just excited because we have more performance pieces. We have airbrush, and since I started running 4 months ago, I have been hoping for more performance pieces that are sweat wicking or are more suitable for intense workouts basically. So without further ado, let's open the box. This guy is so cute. Let's start with Flirty Flow Short, boy short. This is black and lima bean in the size extra small. This is what it looks like. Right off the bat, it looks flowy. We've seen this before in, I forget the collection name, but I've had this before, and I actually love the bikini version of this rather than the boy short because I have thick thighs, and I find that the bikini version works for me better. My thighs just eat up the fabric. It just doesn't really work, but I wanted to give it another try, a different color. That's why I got this one, and I love the contrast black and green. Lima bean, which is more of like it's close to margarita, I would say, but this is more toned down. And I think margarita color has more yellow tone. High rise built-in boy shirt liner with inside pockets, light compression. It's coming in 4 different colors: lima bean, bunny pink, and Farawa, purple swirl print, and black and lima bean. This is the inside. It has pockets, which is absolutely handy when you're running. They increase the liner back rise, increased leg opening in larger sizes. Doesn't really affect. So the update is only for larger sizes, medium to XXXL. So if you can see this short, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but some of the black, it's kind of like, it looks dirty. I don't know if that's because of this black contrast. I hope not. I take a video from my phone so you can see better because I don't think you can see it from there. I hope it disappears when I wash them, but I just wanted to let you know that because it might just be mine, but it's okay because you can't really see the inside. But just to let you know, this is the Everyday Airbrush Pocket Short 7-inch. This is in the color eggplant purple in the size extra small. I am freaking excited about this one because if you're following me on Instagram and you're following my running journey, you would see, or I don't know if you notice, or I don't know if you can notice, but I'm always wearing my Rosa 7-inch shorts, pocket shorts, because first, the length, I love the 7 inches for running because it's perfect. Like, it's perfect for my thick thighs. Coverage is great, and it has pockets. Pockets are really handy, especially when I'm bringing my phone for filming and AirPods or whatever I want to bring that day, so I can get away from wearing belts or vest. So pockets in performance fabrics are just, yes. I know I've mentioned before that I love my 4-6 inches shorts for strength training, but for running, I find 7 inches is perfect. 6, 7 are perfect. The color eggplant purple, and wow, this color is gorgeous. Look at this purple. I think it's a new color, right? I don't think I've ever owned a purple like this, but it is really eggplant color. It is really eggplant purple. I'm super excited for my next run because of all these pieces that I'm gonna be able to test. I love that the pockets it goes all the way down there. I hate it when brands include pockets, but it's super short that you can't barely fit something in there. It's in a way that's like a flat. It's kind of like hidden. You don't really notice it unless you put something in your pocket. See, I hope my phone fits. Otherwise, this is gonna be a bummer. Uh-oh. I hope it stretches further. Come on. I don't know. Looks like it doesn't go all the way in, but I hope it goes all the way in once I'm wearing the shorts, because it's gonna be a bummer when I'm not able to run with my phone. So we're gonna try that when we go for a run. This is what it looks like on the back. I love the structure of the shorts, and the design is actually super cute with all these seams. And I think it is stretchy enough. Yeah, it is stretchy enough, so excited about this. It's coming in 4 different colors: Farwa, eggplant purple, Nile multi, black multi. So it's high rise, it has side pockets, high compression, and 7 inches. Everyday airbrush pocket shorts, 7-inch in black multi. I had to get another one in black because I know it's gonna go with everything. Yeah, but this one is multi-black. It's multi-black because it has this cute, fun highlights in, I believe this is lima bean and bunny pink and Nile blue. Basically everything is the same except the highlights, so you can absolutely pair it with multicolors. Basically, look at this color. This is airbrush maraschino, I don't know how to pronounce that, in lima beans in the size extra small. I've never been this excited for performance pieces. If you told me 4 months ago that I'm gonna be grabbing a lot of performance pieces, I would not have believed you, because who is she? It's a new era. It's my running era, and I absolutely love it. Ooh, look at that cut on the back. Sexy. Yeah, maraschino, however you want to pronounce it. But it looks like this. This is such a fun color. This is obviously more of a long line sports bra. Again, I prefer my short line, but sometimes we need some coverage. Get out of there. And sometimes when I'm running, I sometimes prefer a longer line for more coverage, basically, and more support. But how cute is the back? Look at that. It has a huge cutout on the back that it goes all the way from here to here. Right off the bat, it kind of looks like big. Right off the bat, it kind of looks like big, but I hope it's fine, because this is extra small. Medium coverage, medium to high support, which is perfect for running or high intensity workout. It's coming in 5 different colors: Nile multi, black multi, Farwa, lima bean, eggplant purple. Update to the maraschino sports bra. Now covers and tucks lats with keyhole construction in the back, and front neckline has more coverage. So yeah, it is not new. It is not a new sports bra, but an updated version of the old one. I'm very excited. Oh, this will actually go with... Kyla, can you move over there? He's very curious and excited about packages, so he's here investigating everything. Goes well with this because it has that highlight, green highlight, and it's perfect for the shorts as well. Another airbrush maraschino sports bra. I'm just gonna pronounce it maraschino, okay? Right, but for the purpose of this video. Again, in eggplant purple in the color extra small. If you're a runner, if you're a cardio girly, you're gonna absolutely love this collection. This collection is for you. I appreciate the Buffbunny collection, being involved in this collection, because I am very, very excited about this performance pieces. You have no freaking idea. Like, I'm excited to run. Now you can see it better because it's darker. Look at that color. This purple is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that back. Gorgeous color. That might be one of my favorite colors in this collection. Okay, let's move on with some pinks. This one is, of course, another airbrush, another everyday airbrush pocket short in the color Farwa. If I'm butchering that, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna pronounce it Farwa. Wow, this pink is also gorgeous. It's more of like a pinkish purple, I would say. Pretty, super pretty color. I'm in my pink era, can you tell? So this really excites me. It's looking more pink on camera, but in person it has this purple undertones. It's like pinkish purple color. What is this? I've got another merch in that color Farwa. Oh my god, I did not know I got like 3 of this top. There is the Revolution Candy Sports Bra. Maybe I should have gotten the pink one in that. Oh, it's a different color, so it wouldn't have worked out. Anyway, it's absolutely fine, absolutely fine. Wow, that pink. Yes. I can already imagine myself wearing these with my Nike Vomero Plus in that pink color. Okay, another one is Everyday Airbrush Pocket Legging, black multi in the size extra small. I love that the leggings also have pockets. Yes. The first 2 airbrush leggings they launched have no pocket. I was actually hoping that they include pockets next time, and I'm happy that they did, because it only makes sense. So basically this is just the leggings version of the shorts that I just first showed you. It looks like this. Yes. Again, I grabbed the black one because I realized that it's just so much easier to wear black bottoms and wear colorful tops than the opposite. All right, now let's move on to the pieces I'm excited about, which are my cloud sets. If you know me, I love my sweat. Every time Buffbunny launches sets or like jackets, clouds, threads, because I have to get at least 1 pair because I absolutely love them. Boyfriend Cloud Jogger Frosted Purple. Unfortunately, I got my wrong size because at the time that we're placing the order, it was my true size extra small are out of stock, but I had to place my orders. So I initially selected the wrong sizes and then just updated before the shipment, but there wasn't enough time. But that's okay. I just hope they still fit me because I would cry. Frosted Purple, how cute. This is what the Frosted Purple looks like. How cute is this? It feels heavier than the threads. They're very stretchy, so I hope this extra small. I never size down. When it comes to sweats, I never size down. If anything, I size up because I like it to be over this. So if you have this on the previous collection, still the same fit. This is what it looks like here. It has pockets both sides. This is thicker than threads, more like cozy. They're coming in 3 different colors: Frosted Purple, Lima Bean, and Onyx Black. Cotton spandex fabric. It's oversized fit, it has side pockets, embroidered logo, and we have 3 different inseam, which is always good to have options. From XXS to S is 29 inches, and then medium is 30, and large to XXXL 31 inches. This will go well with this color as well. Look at that. Wow. And then we have the softer than the threads. This is what it looks like. Ooh. It looks huge and baggy because I sized up. Again, we get the wrong sizes. This is in the size small. Full zip cloud hoodie. But I would rather size up than down, so we will make it work. We will make it work. It has this, it kind of looks like a bat wing. Is that how you call it? So it looks like that. It has pockets, and inside the pocket is meshed pockets. And it's full zip. We love that. This color is so gorgeous, but I really hope that this one is... It's fine. Let's try it. Okay, it really is baggy, but it's big. But I do love to be cozy and comfortable, so oversized is better than it being small. So it's cozy though. So small is so totally... It's not bad. Small is not bad, so we're okay. Kind of looks cropped, or you can actually wear it like it's cropped like that. Now that we have unboxed it, we can finally film try on and wear them, test them, wear them to the gym. So I'm gonna start living in this because they're so comfortable and cozy. But yeah, those are all the pieces we got. I'm super excited to wear them, test them, and share them with you. So watch out for try-on hauls. As always, I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will also include the giveaway details in the description box. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for using my code. Don't forget that using my code GEM not only saves you 10% off whenever you purchase, but it helps me as well. It supports me to keep doing this video for you. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one.